In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Heygen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch your project to a new language and make the visuals match naturally with lip movements, all without any guesswork. Start by opening your favorite web browser and searching for Heygen. This helps you get to the platform quickly without needing a saved bookmark. Look for the official Heygen site in the results and click the correct link to head straight to the platform. If you see ads or lookalike pages, take a second to confirm you're on the legitimate site before moving on. Once the home page loads, click Sign In. Use your usual login method to access your account. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're signing into the right one for the project you're working on. After you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where all the creative tools live. From here, click Translate. This is the feature that handles the language change for your content. It's designed to be straightforward, so you can focus on the creative decisions rather than the technical steps. Next, choose your target language from the list of more than 175 options. You can scroll through the full list or use the search bar to find what you need faster. If there are regional variants available, pick the one that best fits your audience so the tone and phrasing feel natural. Take a moment to confirm your choice before continuing. Now, click Advanced. This expands extra controls that give you better results, especially when you care about how the visuals align with the new audio. You don't need to change anything else here unless you want to fine-tune, but one setting is particularly important. Enable lip sync to match the new language with the speaker's mouth movements. Turning this on helps the avatar or speaker look more lifelike in the translated version. It can add a bit of processing time, but the improved realism is usually worth it, especially for client-facing or public content. When you're ready, click Translate. Heygen will begin processing your selection with the language and lip sync settings you chose. Depending on the length and complexity of your content, this may take a moment. Once the translation finishes, preview the result to make sure the pronunciation, pacing, and mouth movements look right. If anything seems off, you can return to the language selection or advanced settings and make adjustments before finalizing. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to change language in Heygen with clear, natural results using the built-in Translate tool and lip sync.